One of the things that you'll notice right away about a Habits Not Heroics workshop is that it isn't a typical professional development. We believe that the best way to learn isn't to sit and passively listen, it's to actively engage with the concepts. That's why throughout training, we are constantly modeling, demonstrating, and labeling strategies in real time so that you can experience it firsthand as a learner. Our workshops are interactive, participatory, and multisensory. We don't just talk about what good teaching and learning looks like. You see it, you experience it firsthand as a learner. So when you walk away from training, you'll have a clear model and a concrete framework that you can implement immediately in your classroom.